guys, my name is Biz Gaming and welcome to a new video where I today show you the voiced game helper, a little program I made because I thought it was useful and so I'm going to share it. I initially made it just for me, but I noticed that it really could be useful for a lot of people, so I just want to bring this out there to you. The voice game helper is a program which uses your microphone, and you can basically give commands to the program and it will execute it. The reason behind this is that many times while playing games I notice that I have to have a stopwatch or something so I can have a time, or I have to run a program or whatever, and well, you can't just alt tab out of the game if you're playing competitive. You can't even use a hotkey or a macro because you have to stay focused on the game. So what I figured is that if you can speak or team speak with your mates while playing a competitive game, you can use your voice as well. So what I came up with is this little program. It has a stopwatch integrated and you can run programs with it. So as you can see, it takes my microphone. You can have the level here of your voice. And yeah, let's open the commands, which you can say. So the thing about this is because I'm using a config data, a txt data, I can just reconfigure it on the fly. So one thing is you have a simple text output. That's why the text box is here, and yeah, it's really just what it says. It's just for seeing if it works. So it will give out this text here if I say the first word. So this is what I'm going to say. This is the output, and this is whether it is a file to run or not. So if you want to run a program, you have to put in true. If you want to do something else, you have to put in false. So if I say bus gaming, it will notice that it's this and run it, but of course because it said it so fast in the sentence, it didn't notice it. So you have to put in a little break in front of the word so it notices, okay, that's a word for itself, another sentence. So if I say it, bus gaming, it will immediately notice, okay, that's this comment, I have to do this thing, and it outputs it here. So this is really just for looking at whether it works or not. Now you have the counter or the stopwatch, and it's here. You can run it. This comment here is for running, this comment is for stopping, and you're not allowed to change these words because they're hard-coded, so do not change them or it won't work. But what you can change is the word to activate it. So I put in 2 German words because my system is in German, and so the voice recognition of Windows is German as well. By the way, if you have another system, like if you have an English system or whatever, you can of course use this. The program will notice that you have another setting in Windows, and it will automatically adapt. So the English users can use English, but as I have German, I will just keep using German. So I put in a word here for starting the counter, and it's Schmetterling, and it says counter, which is the word here, of course, and it starts. If I want to stop it now, I can say this word, Löwenzahn, and stops. I chose just 2 random words I'm never going to use while playing a competitive game, so I do not activate it by accident. Okay, that is the function. You can start and stop it, which is really useful, but because let's think about it. If you are a CT on Counter-Strike and the T's planted the bomb, you can just start the counter and you know exactly how much time you still have, or whether you have to run. So if you want to run a program on the fly, you can just put in the name of the program, like calculator.exe, so calculate.x, and it's true because you want to run it, and the word. So in this case, I have this word, which is Taschenrechner, and yeah, it immediately noticed, okay, I can run that, and it runs it. If you want to comment something out, so if you do not want to let it be a part of this thing, you could just put 2 minus in front of it and it's not going to be recognized. That's everything I have to say about this program. It's really useful because it's also really dark, and you have buttons, by the way. It's really dark, so you can have it on at night without on contrary, you have the editor, which is really bright, but in the night while playing, you can just put it on the side and just say the comment and you have the stopwatch on your second monitor or whatever. It's really neat. Credits goes to me, by the way. Yeah, I coded this shit. And yeah, you can download it in the description. Share it if you think that was useful. Look up my other videos if you want and other good quality CSGO videos. And that's it from me, Best Gaming. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have questions, you can ask them below. Bye.